Well, hello there, and welcome to Shootin' the Poo with Sue. As always, I'm Sue,
D.
and that's D. And today, we have some news.
Oh, yes. Some exciting news. I'm a new grandma to my little boy over here,
It's
Jackson.
a boy!
It's a boy! And his name is Jackson. Look at how stinking cute he is.
So, Auntie Sue...
He's a dream.
Auntie Sue brought some presents.
Yes, she brought some presents for this little peanut. My little peanut.
Oh, he's
Grandma's
so beautiful.
little peanut. Oh, he is. Oh my God, he looks just like my son, the spitting image.
He's so beautiful. So,
without further ado, I can't wait to get in this bag.
For you.
I'm going to pull it down.
Yeah,
How
I
about
got
that?
the most of it. I think I got all of it from Timo.
Okay.
All sizes.
Look at how cute.
Now this is glow in the dark.
I know, yes. Look at that. Now take out the bottom.
Yeah, it's got little...
shorts.
No, one
pants. One pant. Oh my goodness, look how cute.
And these are glow in the dark.
Oh, I can't wait.
So these will be like later on.
Oh yeah, these are a little big, so that's fine now because they'll get into them soon enough.
Oh my God, I love the. I went so big for this. I was like, I could just picture him glowing in the dark.
Me too, and it says little man. Oh, he is Grandma's little man. My miracle little man. I never thought it was going to happen. I never thought I was going to be a grandmother. You know, I have 2 children, and neither one of them were ever interested in getting married or having children themselves. But then my son met this beautiful girl, and I love her. She is the best. I'm so grateful for her and thankful for her. And she makes my son happy, and she makes me happy. What does that say?
It says, don't make me call Grandma.
That's right, Dad. That's right, Dad. Don't make your son call Grandma. That is so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You know, yeah, these things were not expensive. I mean, you know, $2 and $3. A couple of things were a little more, but you know, this was a 2-piece set.
That's why you gotta let me give you some money.
No, this was from Auntie Sue. Shush.
Oh, look at how cute. I love my mom.
Right? It's little shorts, and it's got little snaps on the bottom.
Oh my God, how stinking cute. And the other one, the darker one says, I love my dad.
Aren't they cute?
They're adorable, and they're so soft.
I told you.
Really nice quality, you know?
Yep.
Really nice.
I was very impressed when the first few things that I got, which is why I had no hesitation in getting more.
Right. Thank
Excuse
you.
me. Actually, everything that I've gotten so far, that when I went through it, I was really surprised with how much I liked it.
Oh, that's right, Jackson. Your grandma loves you. Look at how cute, Corinne. That is so cute.
Adorbs.
Adorbs. Just like him. Adorbs.
Adorbs. So
Oh
yeah,
God, this whole bag is full.
well, it's not super full.
Oh, it's super full. Are you kidding?
It's
Come
not.
on. Oh. Mama's little love bug. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna love all these.
You know,
her name is Stephanie.
as soon as I knew there was going to be a baby, I just could not help myself.
I know, you keep telling me, oh, I wanted put another order in. I'm like, put another order in.
I can't help it.
Aww. Daddy and me are best buddies with the little shorts.
Yeah, I figured this one was more for summer. See the size of it?
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger, yeah.
So I figured that would be good for the summer.
Oh, how
Best buds
cute.
for life, it says.
Oh,
I think Will will love that.
Oh, I think
And then on
so,
the shorts
too.
it says little man.
Little man.
Little
I
man.
love these. He is a little man.
They look like little grandpas when they're little like this.
Wow, look at that picture.
I know. No teeth. Little grandpas.
Oh, what is this little guy? Oh, how
He's a puppet. He's a hand puppet.
Oh, look.
Turtle. No, he's a sea turtle.
He is a sea turtle. Oh, he's cute.
I figured you can keep one. You got 2 different ones, so I figured you could keep one here and let them take one home.
Right.
Because Grandma's got to have one at home.
That's right. I have to do story time and tell
There
them
you
stories,
go.
right?
Turtle.
Oh, cute.
Isn't he adorable?
He is
good
adorable.
size too, right?
He is.
Nice size, nice quality.
And yeah, I know. And he's soft. And
Right?
Look at those green eyes. I love that.
I thought he was
that.
awesome.
He is awesome. Oh my God, what is this stinking cute one already? I can see it. It's so stinking cute. Oh.
That's brandy new.
Oh, yeah. I think he's already outgrown this one.
Well, if he did, we'll have to return it. That's all.
Aww.
It's not like I can't get a bigger
'Cause that's
size.
Grandma, can you get one? Yeah, we have to, because
Yeah.
Grandma's little peanut. He is I've been calling him my little peanut.
That's where Damien got his nickname. You know, his godmother still calls him Peanut.
Really?
This guy's 6 foot tall, got arms like my thighs, but his godmother still calls him Peanut. That's all right. I still call Zachariah Doodlebug too.
Hello. Oh, I love to call Zach Doodlebug. Cooler version of Dad. Look at the little army pants.
Right?
That's right.
And that's a hoodie. It's got a
I
little hood.
know. How cute is that?
Did you see that, Corinne?
Yeah.
I think it's adorable.
It is.
Anyway, yeah, that little one, I guess I'll have to, because I don't know. Yeah, I mean, he was big. He was 8 pounds, right?
Yes.
8 pounds, 2 ounces? 8 pounds, 9 ounces. I can't
8.2.
remember. 8.2.
Yeah.
I couldn't remember.
But then he lost some too, though, before he left the hospital.
Yeah, that's normal, but I'm sure
it
he's
is.
gaining it now.
Oh, yeah, he is. He's gaining it. Oh, look at this outfit. Oh, another one that says little man. I love these little man outfits. Hold that one up.
Yeah, these look tiny, though. I don't know. Oh, no, that's...
Oh, ain't no mama like the one I got. I love that. Look at that. That is the cutest little
I don't know. Do you
thing.
think that's going to be too small? It's
Oh.
0. It's no. It says 3 to 6 months.
Oh, all right. Well, we'll try.
If anything's too small, I can always return it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So just give it back to me.
Yep.
They have a 90-day return policy, and I've had 0 problem returning things so
Oh, well,
far.
that's good. That's
They've
good.
been. I mean, they send me the label. Or the Q code. I go right where I'm going to drop it off. They scan it, print me out a label, and off it goes. So it's very simple to do.
Aw. Cute little hats.
You know, babies.
Oh, they do. He loves his little hats.
Well, yeah, babies' heat escapes from their heads.
Yes.
So he's still so new. He's got to always have a hat on, you know.
Absolutely.
So yeah, I thought I'd get like a little bundle so she can switch
it's
it up.
pretty because look, it's blue, gray, black and white, and
Show
all
them.
black. That's the
Yeah,
blue,
and they
black,
got little
white.
ears.
Yes, aren't they cute? Look
They're
at that.
adorable.
They're adorable.
Yeah, I thought they were cute.
They are so adorable.
Look at you go.
All right, what is this?
I had that made.
Oh, you had. Oh. Oh my Lord.
Now, it is a puzzle, but if they don't want to use it for that, they can glue these in and then use it maybe as a little coat rack.
Oh, look at that. How cute.
Yeah, I was thinking about that. If they didn't want to use it as a puzzle, they could always glue those in and use that as a coat rack.
Yeah, in his room, and then how cute is that?
So there's a few things in there that I had done up for him. I love that though.
I do too.
It was so much bigger and better than I thought it was going to be. I mean, this is actually pretty good. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, it's lightweight, but it's pretty nice. I mean, look how thick it is.
It's solid.
Yeah, I was really surprised.
It is.
I was really
Oh,
surprised.
check this out. This nice color. I like this color. This neon green.
Oh, that's just something for the closet.
Is that like a hamper or?
No, it's just something to put like all little things, like, you know, maybe little stuffies or maybe socks or little shoes.
Oh,
I
got you.
They could put all those little shoes in that.
Yes.
You just put the hanger on it.
Right, the hanger goes up there, and then
They could put all those little shoes in here.
that is such a cute little idea. Sue, you are so stinking thoughtful.
Nah,
What do you mean, nah? You are. You're very thoughtful.
I'm not thoughtful.
Nah, she's just a roaring bitch, okay?
I worked hard to perfect the art of bitchcraft. Thank you very much.
Oh, this is the other one that I like too. I seen that when you showed me it. Oh my lord. Never mind, you don't have to worry about that other t-shirt. Grandma's little peanut. And look at these stinking pants. Oh.
And the hat.
And the matching hat. Wait a minute.
And the hat's got the one.
I love it. Oh my lord.
See, it's got the elephant, just like the elephant.
Oh my lord. I gotta hurry up and get that to him like ASAP so they can stop wearing it. Oh, cute.
Adorable. Oh, yeah, these are... I was so surprised. These were not a lot of money. I think... I can't even look. Let me look. I could see some of them.
I'm surprised. Oh, you didn't want to mock them? Oh, because you don't.
No, because I don't...
You didn't want them to know.
They're a gift for them,
right,
so
right.
I don't... You don't leave
understand.
price tags on
No,
gifts.
you don't. I do.
I don't.
I do sometimes by accident when I'm not thinking. Or when you're looking for it and you
Or in
miss.
case they want to return them, I do.
Right, then. Well, you can always do a gift receipt now.
Yeah. Yeah, but anyway, if there's something they don't want, I can always...
If I refuse to nap, is that resisting arrest?
But that looks small. I don't know.
It is too small. I think.
I'll get, like I said, the stuff you think is too small, just leave it here, and I will take it with me and redo it.
Yeah, I think that is
Too small.
too small. So we gotta get the other one.
No
out,
worries,
too.
no worries. Oh, some stuff was delivered already.
Oh, here's what you were talking about. So this is the other little puppet.
Yeah, that one's a little different.
Look! Oh my lord!
Isn't he adorable?
Oh, that is so cute!
Show them. He's a little puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Hi, what a cutie! Hello.
Okay,
Hello.
so this was the blue outfit, the one that you love with the hat in this one.
Yeah.
$3.79.
What?
$3.79 for the whole outfit.
That is
Matter of fact, I didn't even pay for it. I got it for free. And the hang up thing was $1.62.
Nice.
So that was that one. What else? Oh, the puppets. Let's see what the puppets are.
Oh, these are for the plugs, safety
Yes.
precautions for the plugs. That's a very good idea.
The turtle was $5.48.
Oh, he's cute.
The dog was $8.44.
Isn't that funny how animals were more than the clothing?
The little set of hats, the little set of all the hats
Yeah.
was $5.07.
Oh, nice.
And you didn't even show those yet.
Oh no, I didn't.
Those
not
were
yet.
$2.79.
Oh, it's personalized. Look, his little brush. Oh, brush. Jackson. Oh my goodness, how freaking cute! Look at these. Look at these. He's gonna be all
Yeah, those were
set.
only $2.79. Aren't they adorable? Just little tiny.
Look at his little sneakers with all his little outfits.
I just figured some
How
plain
cute.
white would be okay. But if you think they're too small, I'll get you.
Oh no! They look fine. Are you kidding? They don't look too small.
You know, Zachariah, when he was born, his hands and his feet were long.
Oh, I love this too, Sue. This is a really nice gift. A little travel. Look. Oh. The little container. I'm not gonna. All right, and the.
Yeah,
Well,
well, they also should have his name on them.
Oh, it does. I have to take mine today. I have to.
Here's the container they came in, like this.
Yep. And Jackson for the spoon.
And a little fork and spoon with his name on it.
With his name on it. Aw. Look how cute.
Right?
Oh my Lord.
So they could put this right in the diaper bag.
Excellent. Excellent.
Never get confused when they go out of who it belongs to.
Nope, not at all. How cute. That is really nice. I like that. That is super cute.
Is that everything?
That is everything.
Wow. What do you think?
Oh my God, you outdid yourself, Sue.
No, I told you I didn't spend a lot. There was even a couple of things I got for free. And I didn't buy it all at once. I bought it in several different orders, a couple pieces.
How
which is
cute.
why some of the stuff might, if the stuff that you think is way too small, I will just give it to me and I'll return it. And maybe in a couple of weeks or so, we'll do another video with a couple new things.
All right. So let me find, let's see.
Whoops, you might want to turn that upside down.
Yep.
So it doesn't come out. Oh my goodness. Well, hey, before we do that,
Yeah.
let's say our goodbyes. She was so excited, I didn't even get to talk too much.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, don't be sorry. Are you kidding? Because I'm just a smart aleck. I was enjoying watching you enjoy doing this.
Oh my God, this was fun. This is like all presents for me.
But not, you have to hand them away.
I know, that's okay. I don't mind.
But you
handing
will
them away.
keep one of the puppets.
I will. I don't know which one I want to keep here. I'm gonna have to decide if I want the dog or that one. I don't know yet.
Well, you decide, but you keep one of them here,
Yep, I
and
will.
we'll go from there. But before we put them away, how about we...
I'm sorry. All right, for the second time.
If you liked the video, give it a
Thumbs
thumbs up. Like, love, share, comment. You know I love your comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for.
Oh,
We're
for a
gonna-
minute I thought you were gonna cry. Are you gonna
No,
sneeze?
I
or
thought
you
I
gonna-
was going to sneeze and then my ears popped.
Oh.
Yeah, that was a surprise. That was a surprise to me. Anyway, if you liked the video, I hope you did.
Great.
Oh, thank you. I hope you did. Now, if you haven't subscribed, you really need to subscribe because
Right, what are you waiting for? We're funny, aren't we? I think so.
we are going to have another video when we get, another giveaway when we get to 2,000 subscribers. We
Ooh.
only have 1,090 now, so we need to share, we need to comment, we need to like, we need to subscribe. Grow this Pooh family because we had a $100 giveaway last time. We're going to have a $100 giveaway this time.
Woohoo!
So,
Ooh, look at the
let's
birdie.
go. And it doesn't cost you anything. It's free 99.
That's right. We all like free 99.
If it's free, it's for me.
That's right.
So, anyway, congratulations, Grandma.
Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so ecstatic, so happy.
I know you are.
So
And
grateful
I'm
and
so
thankful.
happy for you. I am so happy for you. I'm like, it makes me want to cry. I'm so happy for you.
I've been going up every weekend,
Ugh.
sometimes during the week, but not this weekend. I had a lot of things to do.
I put makeup on. Don't cry, Sue.
Don't cry.
Anyway, yeah, my heart is so full for you.
Thank you. Mine
I
is
love you.
too.
Anyway,
I love you too.
all right, no more mushy stuff.
All right,
Jeepers
she's
creepers.
crying. Knock it off. Will you guys knock it off? No.
Jeez Louise. Okay.
Thank you. We love you.
Be happy. Be healthy. Be safe.
Kind.
And most of all, be kind. We need a lot more kindness in this world.
Absolutely.
In the meantime, I hope you have the most amazing day. And we will see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.